When Megan Gallegos and Sean Lewis began working together at Plaza Medical Center of Fort Worth, patient satisfaction in the emergency department was not where it needed to be.
Whenever we look at our patient satisfaction scores, we look at them in colors a lot, so red, yellow, and green, and we were really in the red.
During a middle-of-the-night brainstorm session, Megan and Sean came up with a plan and a person to change that. Her name is Peggy.
I know they're going to get well and respond to treatment better if, they just have some TLC.
As the ER concierge, Peggy's main job is to serve patients. She meets and greets them, gives out blankets, food, coffee, and conversation. Thousands of patients later, satisfaction scores have gone from red to green.
ERs are very chaotic, and it's really hard to make sense of that chaos, and it's really hard to make patients feel comfortable in that chaos. Peggy has that.
Megan Gallegos and Sean Lewis are this year's recipients of the HCA Innovators Award for Service Excellence.
To value the innovation, to value the creativity, and to really have a format and a structure and a form to say, hey, we want to learn from the best of the best. It makes me very proud. It makes me humbled to lead such a hospital that is part of such a great company.
At St. David's South Austin Medical Center, patients were having trouble remembering side effects from their medication. Director of Nursing Tricia Casler helped implement a simple solution: a sticker on the patient's cup, a mugshot.
The sticker has the name of the drugs in the class. It has the purpose for the medication and then the common side effects. The whole principle is that by putting it on the drinking vessel that we're linking the action and therefore improving learning of that information.
Nurses and patients love it. Plus, patient satisfaction is up.
Patients' reactions to mugshots has been remarkable. We've taken a very simple tactic and we've been able to describe to them medication side effects that they could experience while they're in the hospital as well as when they get home.
Tricia Casler is the recipient of this year's HCA Innovators Award for Quality and Patient Safety.
It's a privilege, and it's really reinforced how great our company is that they recognize and look at the quality of work that people are doing, and this is just fabulous.
Joanne Orlando has loved nursing, research, and data her whole life.
I was one of the kids at 8 years old, had a chemistry set in the garage.
As Director of Research at Mountain View Hospital in Las Vegas, Joanne's passion is improving how healthcare is delivered to patients. She started with performance data and hospitalists. She conducted a clinical study to determine if teaching physicians to work better within the system would have an impact on patient satisfaction.
So I've got all this data. Oh my gosh, it's how they operate. If I make them more efficient and I use the data, can I improve clinical outcomes? Yes.
For 4 months, Joanne shared performance data with hospitalists. She coached them on how to be better organized so they could spend more time with their patients and taught them how to more clearly explain treatment plans and medication. The results were phenomenal. Shorter hospital stays, better clinical outcomes, and decreased readmittance rates.
It's not the bricks and mortar of the institution or the great technology that we have that makes our organization exceptional. It's the care and compassion and commitment that's demonstrated by people like Joanne that make our organization exceptional.
Joanne Orlando is this year's recipient of the HCA Innovators Award for Financial Impact.
I'm humbled by this honor and overwhelmed.